Imagine bringing your stories to life with stunning AI-generated animations without needing any design skills. Whether you want to create captivating children's stories or immersive visual narratives, Gemini 2.0 makes it easier than ever. With just a single text prompt, you can generate high-quality, consistent, and cinematic-style illustrations, all for free. In this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini 2.0 to craft incredible animated story visuals for YouTube and take your storytelling to the next level. Let's dive in. Before we get started, here's something crucial. When generating AI images, protecting your work is just as important as creating it. That's where PimEyes comes in. PimEyes is a powerful AI-driven reverse image search tool that helps you track where your images appear online. Whether you're an artist, content creator, or an e-commerce seller using AI-generated visuals, PimEyes ensures your work stays protected. Just upload your image, and PimEyes will scan the internet to find unauthorized usage. If you want to safeguard your digital content, I highly recommend checking it out. You'll find the link in the description. Now, let's jump into Gemini 2.0. First, go to Google AI Studio. You'll find the link in the description. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard like this. Make sure the Create Prompt section is selected. On the right side, you'll see options for selecting the AI model and output format. Choose Gemini 2.0, Flash as the model, and for the output format, select Image and Text. Now, you'll notice three options: Image Editing, Visual Story, and Birthday Card. If we explore these options, you'll get an idea of how each feature works. For example, if I click on Image Editing, you'll see that an image is automatically generated along with a prompt. In just a few seconds, a new version of that image is created, where chocolate drizzle has been added to the croissants, making it look very realistic. Now, I'll clear the dashboard. Similarly, if I click on Visual Story, a short visual story is generated in just a few seconds. You'll also notice that the consistency of the images remains intact. Now, let's try creating a visual story ourselves. I'll first clear the dashboard. To generate an animated story, I've written a detailed prompt that looks like this. Generate 10 bright, colorful, and highly detailed illustrations for a children's animated short film titled Leo and the Lost Star. Story follows a curious young lion cub, Leo, embarks on a magical journey to return a fallen star to the night sky. Each image should depict a key moment in the story, presented in sequential order like a storyboard. Ensure the character design for Leo remains extremely consistent across all images, including his outfit, expressions, and fur details. Illustrations should have a warm, dreamy lighting style to enhance the magical atmosphere. Each image should also include a caption idea to narrate the story for young viewers. Try generating the images in a 16:9 format to ensure they are optimized for a YouTube video. The overall visual style should be cohesive, making it feel like scenes from an animated movie. After writing the prompt, I simply hit run, and the AI generates the story images accordingly. In just a few seconds, Gemini AI will start generating a scene-wise storyboard. Along with the images, you will also get caption ideas for each scene. Sometimes, it may take some time to generate all the scenes, but most of the time, it creates the story quite quickly. Alright, now you can see that the image quality is outstanding. It really looks perfect for animation videos. The best part is that the character consistency is well maintained, making the story visually appealing. By the way, you can also delete any image, and if you go to the edit option, you can modify or remove the captions as well. Now, let's generate some different types of shots for story. To do that, I will add another prompt here, which is generate a series of 10 high-quality images depicting different types of cinematic shots and angles for a children's animated story. Include a variety of perspectives, such as wide shots, close-ups, over-the-shoulder, low angles, and aerial views. Ensure each shot contributes to the storytelling, maintaining a warm, magical atmosphere with consistent character design. Format all images in 16:9 for YouTube compatibility. After adding this prompt, I will simply hit run, and you will notice that Gemini has created several different types of cinematic shots, such as wide-angle shots, close-ups, over-the-shoulder shots, low-angle shots, aerial views, tracking shots, and many more. All the shots look absolutely stunning, and are perfect for animated videos. Alright, if you want to generate multiple shots of the same character, Gemini AI can do that easily. For example, I added a prompt, and within seconds, Gemini generated multiple types of shots of the same character. So, if you are thinking of creating a story video, I believe Gemini AI could be the best tool for you. You can generate any type of image for free. After generating images, you can use AI video generator tools like Kling AI or any other tool to convert these images into videos and create stunning animations. Now, let's test whether Gemini AI can add emotions to an image. For this, I added another prompt and generated an image. Then, I asked Gemini AI to generate the frustrating look of her. Gemini created an image, not entirely perfect, but quite good. Now, let's try something different. This time, I uploaded an image of a model and a top wear, and wanted the model to wear that top. So, I used a simple prompt: generate photorealistic images of this model wearing the same top. And boom! Gemini AI generated 2 images for me. Surprisingly, in the first image, it placed the top wear on the AI model quite well. You can see that the face remains consistent. However, I noticed that the model's hair turned pink, and the positioning slightly changed. But you can fix this with a refined prompt. Alright, next I uploaded the same image again, and asked Gemini AI to make the model wear a cap. Once again, Gemini AI did it. However, I feel that it's not yet perfect, and I hope that future updates will improve this feature. Alright, so, as you just saw, Gemini 2.0 is an absolute game changer for AI image generation. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what AI tool you want me to cover next.